What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're just gonna have some fun. I know this channel is based on coding and how to put together a WordPress powered website and how to manage a WordPress website or blog. But being a theme developer and a WordPress developer, I spend a significant amount of time on the computer. I get up in the morning, I drink my coffee, I jump on the computer, and before you know it, it's nighttime already. And then like last night, I ended up just working all through the night. It was like 3:30 at night and I posted this on Instagram to see if you can see that. See if the focus is there. Early morning code session. But that was actually working from the day to the nighttime. And while that's gonna happen to you often, you wanna take breaks, you wanna be able to refresh yourself and make sure that your brain is gonna be optimized in order to solve the problems that you're gonna face as a coder, whether you're learning or if you're an experienced coder. So we're gonna have some fun, we're gonna spark our creativity. I'm learning how to create these videos and I'm learning how to edit in Premiere Pro. So I'm trying out these new skills that I'm picking up and I'm gonna use these skills in my presentation of how to develop a WordPress theme. All right, so if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you don't, well, you know what to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's just have some fun.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.
Alright, so what did you think about the video? Be honest, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what you gotta do. But make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what I have to work on in terms of my editing skills, my drone flying skills, which I'm still pretty much new. But again, it's about having fun. It's about getting outside, refreshing your battery so that way when you get back in front of a computer, you're ready to start coding again. And don't forget, I'm creating a whole entire masterclass on how to develop a WordPress theme using underscores and Bootstrap 4. I'm putting together the lesson plan and everything's going to be ready to start shooting in a couple of days. I'll leave links up in the card section and down in the description section down below. So if you're looking to become a WordPress developer or designer, or if you're looking to learn how to code, definitely subscribe and hit that notification icon. And I will see you in the next video.